Welcome to LMC. Today we're taking a look at this Toyota CHR Excel Edition. It's got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and is on 27,328 miles. Lovely looking car, dark exterior, and dark grey bodywork, tinted windows and black features up the skirts and arches. You've got split tone alloy wheels, sensors on the front with a blacked out front end. Like I said, it's got tinted glass on the side and rear. This is for extra privacy in the back. Big roof spoiler, big rear lights with a reversing camera as well. You also got plenty of boot space inside with storage hooks on either side of the boot. In terms of interior, plenty of legroom, all black interior with full leather seating. Full leather seating up front as well. Your window controls on the door card and a push to start button to the right of the wheel. Clear bright instrument cluster with steering wheel controls on either side of the wheel. And in the centre is a screen featuring maps and navigation. You've also got radio, as well as aux, Bluetooth and USB connection for music. And you can connect your phone via Bluetooth as well. Putting the car into reverse brings up the reversing camera that I mentioned earlier, and your sensors appear in the instrument cluster. Beneath this you've got climate controls with heated seats on either side, and then cup holders in the centre console with an electronic handbrake, full EV mode, a comfortable armrest featuring additional storage. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website. Thank you very much for watching.